Sure, ever wondered how to make mixed vegetable pickle that is so good you'll ditch the store-bought versions? It doesn't just taste amazing, it's easy, ridiculously customizable, and great for your gut health too. Let's dive in. First, the vegetables. This is where people either get creative or stuck. You want carrots, cauliflower, green beans, and radishes, around 500 grams total. Cut them into bite-sized pieces. Skip the mushy stuff like cucumbers. They'll turn into sad, limp disasters. All right, the washing part is non-negotiable. Let's keep it hygienic. Wash those veggies thoroughly. Let them dry completely. Any water hanging around will mess with fermentation. Trust me, wet veggies in pickling are sabotage. Salt them like you mean it. Sprinkle a tablespoon of salt over the veggies and mix well. Let this sit for an hour. This step, my friend, is critical for drawing out excess moisture and giving that perfect texture later. While you wait, time to prep the spices. Toast 2 tablespoons of mustard seeds, 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds, and half a tablespoon of nigella seeds. Toasting wakes up their inner flavor ninja. Grind them coarsely, but not into powder. That crunch? Essential. Now let's fry. Take a cup of mustard oil. Yes, that's the magic key, not olive or canola. Heat until it's smoking hot, then cool it slightly. Smoking mustard oil isn't hardcore, it's traditional and knocks out its raw, overpowering taste. Here comes the spice magic. Add 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of red chili powder, and a generous pinch of asafoetida to the oil. Toss in those toasted ground spices too. Stir for 30 seconds. Your kitchen will smell like a spice bazaar. Rinse the salted veggies quickly and pat them dry completely. Mix them into that spiced mustard oil. Yup, get in there and coat every single piece. You want each veggie greedily soaking up that flavor like it's at an all-you-can-eat spice buffet. Taste test time. Does it need more salt? Adjust now before you jar it up. Spicing is personal. Some folks like it fiery, some mild. No judgment. Do what makes your taste buds sing. Transfer them to sterilized, airtight jars. And here's the thing, you must press the veggies down so there's minimal air. Pickling and air don't get along. Air equals spoilage, so compact them like a Tetris Pro. Leave those jars in the sun for about a week, shaking them daily to evenly coat the veggies. Portland folks, yep, we still get sun. Set them on that windowsill if outdoor sun sounds like wishful thinking. What's next? Peaceful patience. After 7 days of warm sunbathing and spice marinating, taste it. Is it tangy, spicy, and just ridiculously delicious? If yes, pat yourself on the back. You now own a power-packed jar of mixed veggie pickle.